Yo, what is going on, everybody? Crypto Kid here, coming at you again with another video, guys. Hope you're enjoying the more frequent uploads. Just kind of doing it whenever I feel like now. I'm not really just focusing on doing one a day, two a day, whatever. Whenever big news comes out, whenever big price movement happens, I'm just going to be making a video for you guys. Make sure to like, make sure to subscribe, because you're not going to want to miss any of these breaking news videos, price prediction videos, any of this. So anyways, today we're talking about XRP, Ripple, some SEC stuff, and just kind of how I believe XRP can still make you a ton of money if you invest the right way in 2021. Man, that feels weird to say, but here we are. I guess 2020 is finally over. So anyways, just go ahead and look at this report real quick. From the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. So basically, SEC has charged Ripple and two executives with conducting $1.3 billion in unregistered securities offerings. So if you're watching this video, I hope you already know kind of the whole story behind XRP and Ripple and kind of what they're set out to do. If not, you're going to want to go do some research on that real quick and come back to this video. Otherwise, it won't make a lot of sense. But assuming you do know a lot about XRP and just kind of like the basics of it, basically, the SEC is coming at Ripple and Brad Garlinghouse, and I think like one or two other people, and basically saying that they failed to, as you can see here, we allege that Ripple, Larson, and Garlinghouse failed to register their ongoing offer and sale of billions of XRP to retail investors, which deprive potential purchasers of adequate disclosures about XRP and Ripple's business and other important long-standing protections that are fundamental to our robust public market system. So basically, they're in a bit of trouble here, and this could kind of go, I guess, one of two ways. Where, of course, something's gonna have to change. I'm guessing that they just they weren't completely open about what was going on about these trades. They didn't disclose every trade and every selling that kind of happened. I guess there were some personal sales on Garlinghouse's behalf too, as you can see here. Larson and Garlinghouse also affected personal unregistered sales of XRP, totaling approximately $600 million. So they're definitely. It's not looking super good, but just from my basic understanding, this doesn't seem like it is going to be the end of XRP. I think even if they end up losing this, and I'm not really sure what's going to come with it, how they're going to settle this or whatever, but I don't really see this being the end of Ripple, the company, whatsoever. Of course, Garlinghouse, something, I guess worst case scenario, they have to let go of him. But I don't really foresee that happening either. But regardless, I don't believe this is going to be the end of Ripple XRP, even if this does go bad. I think they just kind of need to clear the air on a few things. And so what's basically going to happen in the price, if we come back over to CoinMarketCap, is that XRP over the next few weeks, few months, in my personal opinion, is just going to be dropping and dropping and dropping, because people are looking for these projects that are exciting and that are currently moving. Because why would you be in XRP when there's literally a bull market going on all around? You can scroll, there's literally just green for days besides a few outliers, which just recently pumped. And then XRP is just that one red dot that's just consistently going down. So of course people are going to be moving their money out of XRP, and of course it's just going to be falling and falling. It's probably going to fall out of the top 10 in the coming months, if I had to guess. And that's not even as much of a guess. It's more of just like I'm pretty confident that's going to happen as long as this bull market continues to persist and these coins are pumping. For one reason or another, XRP is going to fall out of the top 10. And what's basically going to happen is that the SEC settlement, I'm not exactly sure the time frame. They didn't really talk about it much here. But let's just say this takes, gosh, I'm shooting in the dark, guys. You can comment below how long you believe this is going to take, but let's just guess. And this doesn't have to be for 2021, but let's just guess that this is settled within 8 to 10 months, right? They come back, XRP's back on like the markets, back on Coinbase and everything, with the market buy orders, all this stuff. XRP starts to get like a little bit of love again, and it's chilling at, let's say, you bought XRP all the way down. You bought it at 6 cents, 7 cents, 10 cents, whatever it ends up going down to. And then XRP returns to this just raging bull market, where the gains have been making, like, altcoins have been going up 200, 300, 400, 500%. XRP comes back into it, and it's making up for the lost time in a matter of days. That's really when you're gonna make a lot of your money. So I guess my best advice, and I'm not a financial advisor, but just what I'm personally doing, is over the next few months, as I start to get some major gains in some of these altcoins, I'm just going to be very slowly, very quietly stacking up on my XRP, just getting a little bit, definitely keeping most of my money in just kind of like the raging bull market, But on the side, making sure I'm stacking up XRP, following the SEC news, because you don't want to just get tied down to investing in XRP if things get worse. But following the SEC news very, very attentively, and then just kind of waiting and seeing, like, is XRP just going to boom one of these days once this court settling just kind of happens? So I guess that's just kind of my thought process. You guys can, like, say what you want in the comments below. But that makes a lot of sense to me. I think XRP is going to make up for a lot of lost time at some point this year. And I think it's just kind of up to all of us to make sure that we're in XRP when that does happen, or if that does happen. So yeah, I guess that's just my general thought. I thought that was pretty interesting. Worth making a video about. Let me know in the comments below. I'm sure more people are going to be kind of talking about this in the future. But yeah, it's going to do it for this one, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Should be dropping sometime today, so stay tuned for that. Peace.